Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have cloudy skies out there this morning with some patchy fog. And continue to see those cloudy skies throughout much of the morning, possibly lingering in the afternoon hours today. In general, we'll be seeing overcast skies today with a period of mostly cloudy skies during the afternoon. However, we do have very warm temperatures out there for this time of year. Temperatures already in the 60s this morning. We'll see highs in the mid to upper 60s across the coastal sections of the Delmarva Peninsula today. Some inland locations, especially to the north and west of Wallops, could be seeing temperatures in the lower 70s for highs today. So very warm for this time of year, but enjoy it, as we'll be seeing temperatures falling on Thursday. Looking at the temperatures across the region last 24 hours, Norfolk was the warm spot at 61 degrees. Here at Wallops, we were at 55 for highs yesterday. Baltimore at 44, just before 0Z yesterday. They did see temperatures warming yesterday evening, but these highs run until 0Z yesterday evening. Looking at our lows over the last 24 hours, Baltimore at 44 degrees was the cool spot. Here at Wallops, we saw 50 degrees, and Richmond at 49 degrees. 24 hours, we saw a little bit of precipitation across the region. Langley had the most precipitation at 0.2 inches of precipitation. Here at Wallops, we saw a trace. Other locations seeing around a less than a tenth of an inch. As of 9 a.m. this morning, we've seen those temperatures rising into the upper 50s, lower 60s, anywhere from mostly cloudy skies to cloudy skies. Here at Wallops, as of 9 a.m., we were 60 degrees under cloudy skies. Looking at our upper level sounding this morning, we had freezing level at 13,200 feet, southwesterly winds throughout the column, and becoming westerly as we get up in the upper levels, seeing 33 knots at 1,000 feet. Not seeing those winds come down the surface this morning, so we do have that area of cloud cover around 500 feet this morning, causing a lack of mixing from 1,000 to the surface. But again, in the afternoon, could see those winds get a little bit breezier, it has some breaks in the clouds. Looking up to 25,000 feet this morning, we see our winds peaking at 43 knots, and anywhere in between 1,000 and 25,000 feet this morning, we're seeing winds about 30 to 40 knots. Looking at our radar this morning, we do have a few light rain showers across North Carolina. It's going to continue to move well east and south of our region, not expecting any precipitation today. Looking at our satellite image from our vegetation band or our near IR band, we're seeing cloud cover moving from the southwest to the northeast this morning. Seeing some breaks in the clouds across the DC area this morning up through the northern portions of the Delmarva Peninsula. We do see that thick layer of low-level cloud cover that's going to continue to move towards our region, and finally we'll see some breaks possibly for the afternoon hours. Looking at our surface analysis as of 12Z this morning, we have this area high pressure off the coast, kind of a summertime pattern with almost a Bermuda type high. It's going to allow for us to have well above normal temperatures for today and tomorrow, and have this area of frontal boundary and areas of low pressure moving along that frontal boundary north and west of our region, and we'll have a backdoor cold front move through for Thursday, and that's going to give us some cooler conditions for Thursday. Looking at our prog charts the next few days, this is our Tuesday PM planner. High pressure off the coast, going to continue to see those low-level cloud coverage across our region. And tonight we're going to see a lot of fog across the area. This prog chart's not really showing or indicating that, but we will have abundance of fog across the Wallops region for tonight into our Wednesday morning, and could even see some spotty drizzle across the region. Then for our Wednesday afternoon, we'll see those low clouds and fog burn off, and we'll see a expected record high temperature in the lower 70s tomorrow. So very warm temperatures during the afternoon. We'll see slightly breezy winds as well for our Wednesday afternoon. And then Thursday, as I mentioned, we'll have this backdoor cold front moving through for Thursday morning. So our high will be during the morning on Thursday, and then we'll have some lingering drizzle and light rain for the afternoon on Thursday, with temperatures dropping into the mid-40s. So quite a damp and dreary day for our Thursday. Looking at our risk chart for the day, the only risk that we have is for our ceilings and visibilities. Ceilings less than 500 feet and visibilities less than a mile. You're seeing a chance of that occurring throughout the whole entire time period. Looking at a red this morning, and then an orange for the early afternoon, and then a yellow for the evening hours will increase those chances once again for the overnight time period with that fog developing. Our high today will be around 68 degrees here at Wallops with the breaks in the cloud cover during the late afternoon hours, and most likely seeing those breaks in the cloud cover during the evening. But once we reach the evening hours, we'll see our winds turn south-southwesterly, and that's going to allow for a wind off the water, and that will drop our temperatures into the mid to lower 50s for the evening hours. And that'll be our low during that time period at 53 degrees during the evening hours. And overnight, we'll see our temperatures rising back into the mid to upper 50s with a southwesterly wind developing over the region off the land at 7 to 12 knots. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, currently we have an overcast deck at 500 feet. We'll have a likely scenario from now till noon. We'll have an overcast deck at 400 feet, some mist or 5-mile statute visibility. This afternoon we'll see ceilings increasing up to 800 feet with an overcast deck at noon. And then we move into the mid to late afternoon hours. We'll see that possibility we have some breaks in the cloud cover with most likely a ceiling still remaining at 1,000 feet. And then in the overnight time period tonight, we'll have overcast deck at 400 feet, 1 mile statute visibility with a chance of a half a mile statute visibility with fog over the region. And then by our Wednesday morning at 8 local, we'll have a broken deck at 500 feet, overcast deck at 1,000 feet, 5 mile statute visibility with some mist in the region. And we'll also be seeing those breaks in the cloud cover developing once we move into the mid-morning to late morning hours for our Wednesday. Our tides are normal, and looking at our Wednesday into our Thursday, Wednesday will be cloudy, patchy fog during the morning, becoming mostly to partly cloudy in the afternoon, evening. We'll have slightly breezy winds with record high temperatures expected, a high temperature of 72 degrees. Our previous record is at 69, so we'll be easily breaking that for tomorrow. Winds will be most likely peaking out around 23 or 24 knots, so one with a yellow here, not impossible to see those winds at or 25 knots tomorrow, especially with a stronger southwesterly flow over the region. And then we'll also be seeing our yellow for ceilings, as we'll have that patchy fog during the morning. Wednesday night we'll see partly cloudy skies becoming overcast and patchy fog developing by dawn. It'll be mild with a low of 50 degrees. We'll have that backdoor cold front moving through around 6 to 7 o'clock in the morning on Thursday, so before 12Z we'll be seeing that chance of a ceilings under 500 feet or a visibility less than 1 mile with a yellow. And then for Thursday we'll have overcast skies, slightly breezy winds, with abundant low cloudiness and a chance of some light rain showers. We'll have a high of 51 degrees during the morning with temperatures dropping in the mid-40s by afternoon with, as I mentioned, that mist or possible light rain showers. And we'll have a yellow for precip and a orange for our ceilings and visibility. In our next 7 days, we'll have cloudy skies in the general weather for our Tuesday, 68 degrees for a high, 53 for tonight, 72 degrees for Wednesday. That's going to be the warmest of the next 7 days. Then we'll see highs in the lower 50s for Thursday and Friday. Chances of rain showers. Not going to be a washout either day, but Thursday looks like lingering kind of mist or light rain showers throughout the day, and then Friday an additional chance of some rain showers as that backdoor cold front moves through as a warm front. And then for Saturday we'll see temperatures in the mid 60s for highs, chances of rain showers during the evening on Saturday. Then Sunday we'll see additional chances of rain showers as a cold front tries to move through the region. Most likely going to be seeing a better chance with a boundary moving through for Sunday morning than we will for Sunday evening, but can't rule out the showers moving through with the actual cold front on Sunday late afternoon, evening hours. Expecting a high on Sunday of 68 degrees, and that could be even warmer than I have here for Sundays. We'll get a little bit of break in the cloud cover for Sunday afternoon, and if that front is delayed for coming through for Sunday night into Monday, we could be seeing once again a 70-degree day on Sunday. And then Monday we'll have high pressure moving in from the west, a little bit of a cooler, if you call it more seasonal air mass, still about 5 to 10 degrees above normal for Monday. But it will be partly sunny to partly cloudy for your Monday. that's going to complete the 10 a.m. weather briefing this morning. I hope everybody has a great day. We're back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.